If you have a loved one who needs nursing care, you may have already discovered that in our area, the cost of care can be $7,000 per month or more. If it turns into a long-term nursing stay, that would be $80,000 spent on care in the first year alone. How does anyone afford this when the cost of good care is so high? For a single person, the state looks at the assets and says spend those assets down. This basically means cashing in bank accounts, CDs, money markets, IRAs, life insurance, and so on. Along the way, as they spend their assets down, many people realize they're going to need government assistance, and that is when they turn to the Medicaid program. Medicaid says that certain assets are exempt. Typically, this means the house and a car, and a prepaid funeral plan, and a little bit of life insurance and household goods. Pretty much everything else counts for the single person. The state then says liquidate those other assets and spend them down. It doesn't take long, in most cases, for the life savings of the person to be spent down, and then they have to apply for Medicaid. Most people apply for Medicaid once their assets have been spent down to $2,000 in a Kansas care center or $4,000 in a Missouri care center. Before the state says the person is eligible for Medicaid, however, the state asks if the nursing home resident has made any gifts or given any money or property in the last 5 years. And if they have given money or property away, then there will be penalties. And these penalties can cause a real problem. That's why it's crucial that if you have a loved one who is already in a nursing home or who will be going into a nursing home, it's important that you get good legal advice. Even though making gifts creates penalties, there are ways to protect funds even if someone is already in a nursing home. On average, during the spend down, the one who needs nursing care can often still protect about half of their assets if they know how the law works. The key is to get good advice. There is an old saying, when you're going through a minefield, follow someone who has been there before. Casey Elder Law Firm has helped thousands of Kansas and Missouri families navigate the Medicaid qualification minefield, often while protecting substantial assets for the family. If you would like a free consultation to determine what steps you and your family should take, please call Casey Elder Law at 913-338-5713 or visit us online at www.kcelderlaw.com. There is no charge for the consultation, and you may discover, as so many others have, that even if a loved one is already in care, there are legal steps you can take to protect a good amount of their life savings.